How to create Instagram highlights. Open the Instagram application. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom. Once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the menu icon that you can see at the top. Over here, you'll be able to access the settings. Tap on the option Archive that you can see on the screen. You'll be able to see your stories archive over here. Tap on the story that you would like to add to the highlight. Tap on the option Highlight that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to create the new highlight. Enter the highlight name over here. Tap on the option Add. Once you do that, the highlight will be created. You can go back. You can tap on that particular highlight. Once you do that, tap on the option More. You can tap on the option Edit Highlight. Now you'll be able to add the cover of the highlight as well. Tap on the option Edit Cover. Now you'll be able to select the cover. Select the cover of your choice and tap on the option Done. You can also add more stories to the highlight by tapping on the option for stories. Simply tap on the stories that you would like to add to the highlight. Tap on the option Done. So like this, your highlight has been created. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.